DIY spinach oil for hair growth. Take 1/2 cup of spinach and 1/4 cup of carrier oil, olive, coconut, castor, etc. Now, blend 1/2 cup of spinach until you get a smooth paste. Use cheesecloth to separate the pulp from the juice. In the next step, mix the pulp with your choice of carrier oil. If you have oily hair, use light oil like jojoba or olive oil. For dry hair, use coconut or castor oil. How to apply spinach oil for hair growth. Massage the oil into your scalp for 15 minutes and then work it through the whole length of your hair. Leave the oil on for an additional 45 minutes. Then, wash out the spinach oil with cool, lukewarm water and a mild sulfate-free shampoo. For best results, you have to repeat this method 2 to 3 times a week. How spinach oil helps hair growth. A spinach and oil massage can help improve blood circulation while unclogging your pores and balancing oil production. This helps boost scalp health for healthy hair growth while conditioning your hair and tackling issues such as dryness or frizz. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.